Are you tired of flimsy camp chairs that sink into the grass or snap when you sit down? Meet the Let's Camp oversized heavy-duty folding chair, the ultimate upgrade for your outdoor comfort. Built with a heavy-duty steel frame, this chair easily supports up to 450 pounds, giving you rock-solid stability wherever you go. The fully padded seat and backrest deliver pure relaxation, while the breathable fabric keeps you cool even on hot summer days. It features a built-in cup holder, a convenient cooler bag to keep your drinks ice cold, and side storage pockets for your phone, keys, and snacks. Whether you are camping, tailgating, fishing, or just relaxing in the backyard, this chair is built to last. Upgrade your outdoor gear today and experience true comfort. Grab yours right now using the link in the video description below.